Hey everyone, this is Adir with Longevity Training, and if you are watching this video, it is because you are planning on coming to an online longevity training class with me. And I want to give you some overview of what you're going to be seeing in the class so that you know what we're doing, how it's going to affect you, and maybe stay safe throughout the entire workout. So I want you to listen to your body first of all, okay? If something seems painful or too hard, or whenever you're moving, something is clicking and it's just feeling uncomfortable, that's your body telling you to maybe stop and make the exercise a little bit easier. If that happens and you want to just ask a quick question, you can go ahead and unmute yourself during the live class and ask me in between the exercises, or write it in the chat and I'll get to see it and maybe respond to everyone. So please remember to stay safe when you are exercising during my classes. That is very, very important. This is here to make you feel and move better. It isn't there to get you in more pain or a potential injury to happen. So I want to keep you safe. Make sure that you communicate with me so that I can help you as best as I possibly can. The other two things that I want you to understand is how the workouts are kind of structured and what we're doing and why we're doing it. And that is, the first thing to understand is that our body moves in 3 planes of motion. Every single muscle and joint in your entire body moves in 3 planes of motion. And just to give you an example, I'll start with my wrist. So the first one is forward and back, up and down, okay? Every single joint goes those ways, forward and back, up and down. Then we have side to side and rotation. So just for an example, if we were going to lunge, we would lunge forward, we would lunge side, and we would rotate. And that's just an example of what you're going to be seeing in the class and how we tweak some of the exercises and movements. The other way to understand how the whole workout is going to be programmed is through movement patterns, okay? And we have 4 primary movement patterns that we go through. And that's push and pull for our upper body. And that's basically saying that anything that we are pushing something away from our body uses 3 primary muscles, which is our chest, our shoulders, and our triceps. And anything that we are pulling or rowing closer to our body, like a pull-up, uses your entire back and your biceps to assist. So when you're wondering, I wonder what muscle this exercise is working, that's kind of how we look at how we're exercising, what the movements mean, and why we're doing them. For the lower body, we have squats and lunges. Okay, so a squat is any position that you're staying still, you're starting up, you're going down, and you're coming back up. So we could be split feet, we could be internal rotation or external rotation. You'll see us kind of tweak it in different ways, but the main thing is that a squat is staying still, moving up and down. A lunge is any position that you're starting from point A, moving to point B, and coming back to point A. And you're going to see different variations of that and tweaking it in 3 planes of motion, like I said before. And so that is just the way that we categorize and plan the whole workout so that you get a total body workout. Okay, going through push, pull, lunges, squats, and other variations that's going to challenge your core and everything. And to finish, the CORE stands for the Center of Reactive Energy. And that's just saying that a lot of these exercises are very dynamic, moving in 3 planes of motion and using your core. And what we mean by that, the center of reactive energy, is it could be changing what muscles are being used. It's your abdominals, it's your obliques, it's your transverse abdominals, it's your psoas, your glutes, your lats, and so many other muscles that are being assisted through a given movement. So when you think about the core, just understand that we're always working the core. We're always trying to keep the entire body working together as an efficient working team. So that is kind of the entire overview of what you're going to be seeing at my class. I hope to see you there soon.